Yan, maraming salamat sa inyong support kay Archel, Maricoy, Kukudo ni Jubang, mega love shout out. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-support. Teddy NZ Vlogs. Ano, balikan kita, kuya ha? Okay. So, sige, off muna natin kasi para makapag-support naman tayo sa ibang, ano. Sinamantala ko lang kasi every Sunday ay off ni Maricoy sa work, kaya sinamantala ko lang na mag-live. Jaikong time! Jaikong time! Yan, mag-e-end na sana tayo, pero sige, ano natin to. Tingnan natin tong yung binaba. Tutusukan ba ito? Tusok? Jaikong time. Yan. Legit Wotofu Serpent. Boxer ka. Ama. Unboxing. Ano ito? Wotofu. Okay, tapusin muna natin to. Oh, we have here a Korean friend. Thank you so much for coming. I don't know how to read your name. I don't know how to read the character, Korean character. So may I call you Korean boy? Are you a boy or a girl? Okay, here's a jacket for you. So you're a beautiful girl. A beautiful girl from Korea. I'd love to go to Korea. I see you're a singer. Yes, Korean girl? You have your moderator now? J-Kong. Yan, watching pa tayo ng unboxing mo. Ano ang wotofu? Yun. Ah, babe. Babe pala ito. Okay, J-Kong time. Done. Okay, thank you so much. We have to end our live para makapag-support naman tayo sa iba.